Hello everyone, you're most welcome on my YouTube channel. And today I'm standing here on my terrace and I am creating this video for all of you who want to speak better English. Most of the time I get calls and people ask what is the best thing for them to improve their spoken English. So today I'm going to tell you the best method to improve your English. So please stay till the end and watch this video completely. So if you are someone who want to crack interviews or who want promotion or who thinks to become fluent in English, but you do not know what to do to become fluent. So today I'm going to tell you that you need to do one thing which is really important and most important to become fluent in English. When I started my journey, I was not able to speak English, but there was one thing which was clear in my mind that I need to speak English as much as you can. So, I remember this. I used to speak with people. Most of the time, I used to speak with the strangers on a lot of platforms. But if you are someone who doesn't have a lot of time to explore these platforms, so what is the best way for you to improve is to hire some trainers for yourself and just do conversation with them every single day, interact with them on multiple topics and get corrections from them. Whenever they correct you, write that feedback and work on that, try to improve that, and that will help you to become a fluent speaker. This is not a rocket science. Many people think that it is not possible for them to speak English, but I believe that if you practice, I'm 100% sure that you can speak better English. But it is all about patience and consistency. The more you practice, better you become. So what you need to do is you need to hire a trainer for yourself and attend their classes every single day, almost for 5 days a week. And whatever the correction they give you, work on that. And within 6 months, you would be able to see a remarkable change in yourself. Because I come across a lot of professionals who have money and they want to speak better English, but unfortunately, they are not ready to waste a lot of time and they don't want to explore many platforms. So, the best thing for them is to hire a trainer who is good enough for them, who can assist them to become fluent. So, first of all, you need to watch their videos, you need to listen to them whether they are able to speak good English or not. But if you are hiring someone who is not able to speak good English, it is very difficult for them to help you in speak better English because by learning translation, it is not going to be easy for you to speak better English. So, translation is okay, learning grammar is okay, but what is very important for you to do is that is speaking practice. Choose some topics, answer some questions, and speak every single day at least for 30 minutes, 35 or 40 minutes a day. That will help you to speak better English and then implement all those skills in your office or wherever you go. If you get an opportunity, don't miss that opportunity. Speak there, present there, even though if you make mistakes, but don't be afraid because mistakes are the part of your journey. And if you do it for 6 months and a year, and I'm 100% sure that you will be able to speak a fluent speaker. That's it for today. Follow this for becoming fluent. Thank you and bye bye. Take care.